Hello everyone, my name is Megan Rebello and I will be talking about my concept for a rehabilitation awareness project for the Clearwater Marine Aquarium. I wanted to do this project because I currently volunteer on the sea turtle rehab team at the aquarium, and we do a lot of amazing work to help sea turtles and other wildlife, and I really wanted to highlight that in these pictures. We have a rescue vessel that helps rescue animals and bring them back to the aquarium for treatments, which you can see on the bottom left is what the rehab team does. They focus on different treatments, taking blood work, fixing injuries, and doing different kinds of surgeries to help be able to release the species back to the wild. We are known for Winter the dolphin from Dolphin Tale, who actually lost her tail in a crab trap line, and it cut circulation off from her tail, so she's been an advocate for our aquarium. And on the top left, that is actually a current sea turtle patient we have named Nick, who is suffering from the fibropapillomavirus, which has no known cause but has been linked to some pollution, and he was found with these tumors on his eye and on his carapace, and also fishing line entanglement around the tumors, which had to be removed. So, my project scope involves creating a social media page where all aspects of rehabilitation may be documented, including surgeries, necropsies, treatments, and releases. And the project will help draw awareness and attention to what wildlife face due to human involvement and what people can do to help. I wanted to do this because since the rehab hospital is closed off to the public and more severe injuries are hidden from the public, it is important to create a platform where the public can stay informed and be involved in the process of rehab and what our employees, interns, and volunteers go through on a daily basis and the effects humans are causing to innocent wildlife. All parts of the journey of each animal will be documented and edited together into one video that will later be posted on the Rescue, Rehab, and Release social media page. People will be able to follow along with the process of each patient and how they are improving or not improving at their time at the hospital. The social media page will also highlight the unfortunate events that happen in the hospital. Since a large majority of fatalities are caused by human-related injuries, it is important to document the cases within the social media page. The injuries highlighted throughout the page will include injuries and illnesses related to boat strike injuries, fishing line entanglements, hook and line ingestions, pollution, harmful algal blooms such as red tide, and disturbances of nesting grounds, which are all factors caused by humans. This will possess additional awareness in how our daily decisions affect the environment. The page will also consist of links for donations to help specific rehab patients, supporting costs to cover medications, food, and surgeries, and information regarding planned releases of wildlife patients will also be made available to the public on the page. Specific events such as conservation projects, beach cleanups, and special presentations will also be posted and made available to the public, and the social media page will serve as an outlet to gain fast information related to our animal hospital events and the progress of every patient, and will be run by current rehab staff, volunteers, and interns. The benefits of the project are to draw awareness to all aspects of our rehab team and the impact the aquarium has on conservation. It will also help increase ticket sales, increase donations, increase following and the support of Clearwater Marine Aquarium, and it will help the interns and volunteers stay involved. The cost will be around $2,000, which will cover 2 new cameras, editing, and advertisement costs. And existing members will work on the project, so no new hires are needed at this time. The implementation approach to the project will be discussing the project with staff and interns and volunteers, buying the equipment, allowing staff and interns to practice on equipment and understand the project in detail, creating the social media pages on different outlets, organizing what will be posted, providing the stories of patients documented with pictures, videos of their milestones, including surgeries or different treatments or even their releases back to the ocean. We'll also work with other departments in the aquarium for additional information regarding beach cleanups and different events that can also be posted. The rehab team will also work together on the projects to make final projects in order to post on the page. They also must be approved by staff before posting, and comments and concerns on each social media page will be viewed and addressed, and the success of the page will be measured after 1 year to see if ticket sales have gone up and conservation efforts have increased. Potential outcomes of this project include increased following of Aquarium on social media outlets, increased awareness and support to our conservation program, increased ticket sales and donations, increased knowledge and experience of volunteers and interns, and to help support conservation and wildlife rehab efforts. Each intern and chosen volunteers by staff members will have additional responsibilities to the project, including leadership responsibilities, editing patient videos, helping staff when needed, and working on future projects. And this may also spark interest and creativity for future projects, which will help benefit the rehab department and the overall success of the aquarium. And these are my references. Thank you for watching.